Welcome to Bizworld. I'm Farah Nabilah Wazer. Malaysia has secured 1.45 billion ringgit of potential investments and 550 million ringgit of potential exports from meetings with Japanese companies in conjunction with Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim's working visit to Japan. Several of the projects will be implemented within a 3-year time horizon. These projects will help the country create a strong ecosystem in the semiconductor, renewable energy and green technology.
Ini sedang dalam proses, tapi pelaburan-pelaburan amat besar. Sebenarnya penerusan beberapa pelaburan atau pengembangan yang dulu melalui Petronas dan Jentari atau beberapa hal pelaburan baru.
The companies involved were IHI Corporation, Nishin Oilio Group, Tokuyama Corporation, Sumitomo Corporation, Anyos Holdings, Mitsubishi Corporation and Tokyo Gas. As of 2023, a total of 2,810 manufacturing projects with Japanese participation have been implemented, with total investments valued at 102 billion ringgit, creating more than 344,000 job opportunities. The Finance Ministry MOF is committed to ensuring the success of economic reforms with the goal of overcoming the middle income trap and stimulating the economy. In a post on social media platform X, the ministry said that the Madani government's pro-development policies and encouraging innovation had given new life to the national economy. The positive response from investors in the initial phases of these policy reforms indicates that the economy is poised for increased prosperity in the coming years. The Madani Economic Framework also targets an average annual growth rate of 5.5% for the national economy in the medium term, driven by investments, apart from initiatives at narrowing the wealth gap to ensure equality and stability in society. The MOF also shared notable growth in the stock index, marking a significant 11.9% increase, making it the second best performing stock index among ASEAN countries. Malaysia's inflation remained steady at 1.8% for the third consecutive month in April. According to Department of Statistics, DOSM, the increase was driven by the incline in the restaurant and accommodation sector, as well as food and beverages. Other indices contributors increased, including housing and utilities, which rose by 3%, the same as last month, followed by accommodation at 2.4%. Meanwhile, inflation varied across states, with Pulau Pinang, Sarawak, Pahang and Selangor experiencing higher rates than the national average. However, comparatively, Malaysia's inflation is higher than Thailand and China, but lower than Vietnam, Philippines and the United States. Bursa Malaysia closed lower today as investors took profits amid regional weakness. At 5 p.m, the FBM KLCI declined by 9.78 points to 1,619.4. Losers led gainers by 845 to 450, while 442 were unchanged. Rakuten Trade Research reckons the outlook for Malaysian equities remains steady. This despite today's lackluster performance, as cheap valuations accompanied by strong fundamentals of the local economy will drive the market going forward. More than 1,000 employees of My Airline remain uncertain about the airline next steps after having been suspended for 6 months. According to a report by Business Times, the airline also allegedly owes about 14 million ringgit in salaries to affected staff and 9 million ringgit in payments for the Employees' Provident Fund from October of last year until April. Its station head in Singapore, Faiza Hamid, said that the company's staff from Malaysia, Singapore and Indonesia are collectively anticipating a resolution since their previous meeting with My Airline's management several months ago. Malaysian employees also face an additional burden as they are required to pay income tax on unpaid salaries. On April 26th, the company said it is still in talks with several interested investors and hopes to conclude on an agreement to be able to resume operations. And that's all the time we have for Bizworld. I'm Farah Nabilah Wazer. Keep tuning in to TV3.